Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you 5 free mid-journey alternatives in 2026, a complete walkthrough. So guys, for today's tutorial I'll be showing you 5 free mid-journey alternatives that you can actually use to generate high quality AI images, no payments, no Discord needed. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Our first AI is the ideogram. Ideogram AI, it's the best free tool for text accurate images. That's text to image in 2026. Just type in your prompt, choose a style, and it's going to give you a clean image with perfect lettering. And it's great for posters, t-shirts, logos, quotes, and social media graphics. So you get free monthly generations and fast results when you just simply use Ideogram AI. So just simply log on to ideogram.ai, generate stunning images, explore creative ideas, and turn inspiration into reality with Ideogram. So let's go ahead and open up this link, and it's going to lead us to ideogram.ai. All right. And once you've logged on to ideogram.ai, you're asked to sign in. But let's just go and skip this process. Basically, you have an explore page, you have a my creations, you have a canvas, you have a batch, and you have a library. So you can see these are some of the prompts that people created using just a simple text. So with a simple text, you can just describe what you want and hit generate. Remember, I did tell you that you get free monthly generations and fast results when you make use of ideogram. Now, the second alternative is Leonardo AI. So it's a full creative studio like Midjourney, but with free credits daily. You get photorealistic portraits, 3D renders, textures, product shots, and even video. Yes, you can actually get some video out of it. Plus, you can train your own personal models for free. It's perfect for designers, marketers, and e-commerce product images. So once you click on Leonardo.ai, it's going to open up and transform your projects with their AI image generator. So basically, you can see the kind of shots they have on their platform. You can see how good it looks. You have a homepage, a library, image creation, motion, real-time canvas, real-time generation, a canvas editor, universal upscaler, and in the advanced section, you have fine-tune models, training and data sets. You can just simply train the AI and make the most out of it by just entering a prompt. You can see here a woman with a social media graphic and minimalist poster layout. You can see different kind of results from people's prompts. And basically, to get started, just click on launch app, and it's basically going to get launched, and you can make use of Leonardo.ai. Now, another surprising alternative is Binge Image Creator. So Binge or DAL E, which is one of the most stable free generators right now, produces super detailed images, consistent characters, and amazing lighting. So it's great for thumbnail and ads, and it also supports image variations and image editing. So you can use the Binge Image Creator to do that, or you could use DAL E basically. Moving on, we have Playground. Playground is a free AI design tool, playground.com, or rather Playground AI. It's great for aesthetic images and clean portraits. It offers unlimited free generations with light usage and built-in filters, upscaling, and face enhancement tools. So let's just go ahead and click on it. It sounds amazing. You can use the free AI design tool for your logos, t-shirts, social media, that kind of stuff. So all you need to do is just simply click on start designing once the web page opens up. As you can see, these are the kind of designs you can get off the AI alone of the AI alone. And then all you need to do is just click on start designing to start making use of it. But if you need a demo, you could watch their video to kind of get the hang of it. There is the option to download an iOS app, so you can get it on iOS as well. And you can also get it on Android. So welcome to Playground. Design anything with thousands of templates to create logos, t-shirts, posters, and more. Let's just go ahead and skip the tutorial. You can finish the tutorial on your end. Now, on the playground, all you need to do is select what you want, either a poster, a logo. Let's say we want something like a mobile wallpaper. So if you click on it, you're showcased a list of mobile wallpapers, or you can just simply type in yours. So the prompt we have here is whimsical pastel dreamscape. So you could just simply type in You can just simply type in something as easy as this and simply click on send, but you would have to create an account with them in order to make use of the prompt. But yeah, you could have things like this generated using the playground. They do have the pro, so you might need to pay for pro features in order to access pro related material. And last but not least is Lexica. So Lexica Art, which is the last, is known for its fast, high contrast or contrast cinematic images. It's free to use, simple, and gives a strong stylized look with minimal tweaking. So you can actually make use of their AI generated images. You could just use Lexica for, it's the state of the art AI image generation engine. So you can just simply search for a certain kind of image or rather generate a certain kind of image. You could have cool looking portraits like this or these or, stuff that look good like this all over your screen. You can generate things like this by just simply typing in a prompt and clicking on get started. All right, guys. So these are the alternatives. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.